myself Asif. I am here to share my views on creativity. My topic is lack of creativity in Indian schools in the present curriculum. Can anybody say what is creativity? Okay. What is creativity? It is use of our imagination in an appropriate way, where the people attract with our ideas. What can anybody suggest? What is the appropriate way can we use our imagination? I need to ask one question. Indians, do we really have creativity? According to our late President Abdul Kalam, he always says that Indians really have creativity. But to what extent we have it? But another question of mine is, as we are implementing the creativity, if we are implementing the creativity, why to follow the notes what we are given by the teachers? Best example is our ethics class in English class. Our ma'ams ask some questions and those questions will be answered by some persons only always. But the remaining class will be passive by answering those questions. That shows to what extent we are using our creativity. The reason for this is because of our government or because of our education system. First of all, what is education? The act or process imparting or acquiring particular knowledge or skills that enriches our creativity. Actually, what you are following is not an education. What you are learning is rote learning. You are just writing and putting it on paper. After 4 years, I don't know how many of you will get jobs, but I am sure that I am not in a position to reach that point. I am not using my creativity to full my extent. What is the reason for not using our creativity to full extent? I said in before slide, it is a present education system. The major part is your archaic education system. Can anybody say what is archaic?
Right to information.
Archaic means it is outdated. What we are following the present education system is outdated. Can anybody give difference between the IITs and NITs and present local engineering colleges? Actually our engineering is application oriented. IITs and NITs, they are purely application oriented. But coming to our local engineering colleges, what we are learning in inter and schools, same we are following here also. In schools and inter colleges, we give preference to grades and percentages only. We are not utilizing our creativity to 100% there also. These grades and percentages will make a happiness, will give happiness to us only to some extent. But if you are attending any MNC interview, these grades and percentages will matter only for 5 to 10 seconds only. But it depends only on our creativity. Can anybody give any description on this? Here I have shown some animals: monkey, penguin, and elephant and fish. The man is asking who all have to climb that tree, but the elephant and fish and the penguin can't climb that tree. Our education is like that. We have average, above average and below average students, but we are imparting the same knowledge to all of them. The IQ levels differ from person to person. The above average person can get some information and below average person can't get some information. But we are imparting the same knowledge to all. How they can catch and how they can utilize that. Guru, the teacher, taking you from darkness to light, they will give ideas only, but they will not but they will not work to implement it. We have to implement it. They are the backbone of our creativity. Here, I said that come away from the window. You don't want to be a child left behind, do you? Actually, we are confined to four walls of a room. What teacher says, we learn it and write it and we put it on the paper. But what that is not a real education. What I before said is that is rote learning. Come away from the window means come away from four walls of the room, and you don't want to be a child left behind you, and you don't want to be a child left behind you. Go on to a race. Utilize your creativity to 100%. Don't think that I can't do anything. Create something, either it is useful or not useful. But it shows that up to which extent you are using your imagination in an appropriate way. Actually, I said that it is our because of present education system, you are not in a way to utilize it. So any change should be made to change our present education system. Yes. Focus on skill-based education. Actually, what you are now learning is skill-based education. But I am thinking that what you are learning in our college is not a skill-based education. It's rote learning only. It is a rote learning only. Your creativity, original thinking, innovation. Before I said that in ethics class and English class, some students are passive. For them, I note this point: your creativity, original thinking, and innovation. What you think, you just answer it to madam. Whether it is wrong or right, don't think. You use your imagination and say, and then think that it is right or wrong. Get smarter people to teach. Some people will be there who will teach the lesson in their book only. They only don't know about outside and they will teach only up to book. So we don't need that type of people to teach us. We need the people who teach all, not only on bookish knowledge, or outside knowledge also. Implement massive technology infrastructure for education. From older than ours, we are using the blackboard only for teaching. But the present education system is utilizing this type of screens for implementing knowledge. That it is the reason why NITs and IITs are growing day by day and why the law engineering colleges are gradually decreasing day by day. Redefine the purpose of education system. Our education system are not only getting grants and percentages. It is up to us to use our creativity. Just to think that up to how much extent you are utilizing your creativity.
Last 1 minute.
Allow private capital in education. Allow private capital in education. Only government schools are more today. Allow private capital means you can welcome private members into our education. They can help to enrich our creativity, make reservation irrelevant. Last few months ago, we did not answer. In that, we got ranks. But according to if your rank is more, you can get college, you will get seat in a local college. If your rank is high, we will get college in some good college. So if anybody has reservation in that, some members will get good colleges if they have high rank also. So I think that this reservation system should be removed from our present education system. Can anybody say what this is? Every child is an artist. The problem is staying an artist when you grow up. Yes, every person has some creativity, but it is up to all how you use it and how you implement it. Up to then, you will remain like an artist only, just like passive person. Thank you.